I'm sorry, 2 and 2, right?
Yes, please.
Oh, no pizza.
Uh-oh, no pictures, no pizza. Thankfully, I took away these slices. 2 of the famous squares and 2 regular slices for this review. Right? Hey, I'm here in Brooklyn to check out L&B Spumoni because I have friends that swear that this is the best pizza they've ever eaten. So let's check it out. Visiting some customers, nice blue skies outside. Might as well stop by and try out a staple of Brooklyn. They have the square here. Looks like they didn't give me a corner one. They only gave me 2 sides, which is fine. I kind of like the sides. But I wanted to see what everybody raves about. Now let's take a look at the pretty solid, nice and golden brown, a little bit on the darker side, which is great. Obviously they cooked it well. It's tight on the air pockets, right? Sicilian. Doesn't feel that heavy, which is interesting. I always thought, you know, Sicilian would be heavy. You can take a look at the nice mozzarella, a little of the hard cheeses. Looks like a good amount. Sauce looks nice and bright. Well, the picture I took before, right? All right, here goes the first bite of L&B Spumoni Gardens Sicilian Square.
It's hip to be square.
Family owned. Not too pillowy. Has a little chew to it. The sauce is, I like the sauce. Not too strong. I would like to have some more basil flavor in it. Maybe some more oregano. Not too salty. Just a good blend of the sauce, cheese, and a good bite. Let's take a look inside that first bite. Still nice and tight, right? It tastes good. I like it on the cabbage because it's crunchy. I wouldn't say crisp, but crunchy. So it holds up. It's not going anywhere, right? If you like these videos or these reviews, please hit the like button for the YouTube algorithm. Thanks. Next, there's the regular cheese slice. Basic. Wasn't sure if I really wanted to get it. Unfortunately, they don't have margarita, which is my favorite, but look at this. All right. Basic cheese slice, it's holding up a little flop, right? Not bad. Not too much oil dripping out of the back. I wish it was crispier. This one, the sauce isn't as strong, so the cheese is coming out a little bit more. Maybe because of the ratio of the cheese to dough. Look how thin that is, right? It's not too much air. They didn't really let it rise as much. You really taste the dairy. How am I supposed to describe that? But it's the dairy from the milk and the mozzarella. It's I don't want to say gamey, but it is like a cow making the milk, right? That's what I kind of have that taste of. I feel like the sauce is about the same, but the ratio to cheese to sauce seems to be a little bit more here than it is in the Sicilian. I was really hungry because it's lunchtime now, about 12:48 right now. It'll be interesting to see different times of day when you come to a pizzeria, how it is. There was a few people in front of me. The line went very fast. A guy yelled at me for taking pictures of the kitchen. That was the first one, which is fine. That'll be put into the video. Funny. After watching me eat these pizzas, which do you prefer? Do you like the Sicilian? Do you like the regular slice? I think everybody has their own preferences. All right, now, I had my 2 slices. It's in the name, Spumoni. Look at that. This is a large for $4.25. I don't know if it's a good deal, but it looks good. Tastes good. So what is Spumoni? A little pistachio, which it has some nuts in here, some chocolate, and typically strawberry, as I understand. However, this white part, this yellow white part, is more like a cannoli filling than strawberry, but it's very good.
Before giving my score, I want to share with you the prices that they charge.
I'm going to score the Sicilian, and 8.3. I do really like it. I do prefer it better than Umberto's square. And Sicilian, 7.5. I think that buttery flavor that Umberto's has is not something I want to taste in a pizza. The score for the regular slice, I'm gonna put closer to like maybe a 6.8. It's just a basic slice, quintessential slice, New York slice. Wasn't anything special. I think a little points were deducted because of the flop. Maybe they could have reheated it a little bit more. I don't know. So, if you were interested in getting some L&B Spumoni, click on the link below for Gold Belly, because they ship pizza from New York, some cold fire, some of the Fara is on the list. I'm not sure if L&B is at the moment, but you click on the Gold Belly link below and order some pizza. Hopefully you come to New York and able to have it fresh out of the oven, but sometimes you have to order it online and get it frozen. They do ship it on dry ice, which is pretty cool. And while it's a little expensive than going to the actual store, it's something that where if you don't have access to it, you gotta try it. So I'll probably do some more reviews from Gold Belly as well. But please click on the link below and try out the pizzas. Anyway, hope you liked this video. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up. If you liked it, know people that haven't subscribed, please share it with them. And make some comments below. Tell me where you want me to go next in terms of culinary food adventures. Click here to watch my video of the Fara review. If you want to check out what's the most favorite pizza in Brooklyn, click on the video here for locales. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button if you haven't already.